Ever heard of a business card that does not care about your personal credit score, but is all about your business? Well, you should be. But before we dive in, here's a question to ponder. What if you could get a business card without a hard credit check? Stick around to find out. Today, we are diving deep into the Revenue Business Credit Card. Founded in 2018 and headquartered in Jersey City, New York. Revenued is a fintech game changer. They're backed by Capital Z Partners, a leader in financial services private equity. This card is a blend of a business card and a flexible line of credit. Swipe it or pull cash. The choice is yours. One of the standout features is that there is no hard credit checks. That's right, they don't pull your credit. So that means there's no dents in your credit to have this credit card. This card is designed for all businesses, even those with subprime credit. If traditional fintechs have turned you down, Revenue might just be your savior. The Revenue Business Card isn't just another card. It's a flexible line of credit based on your business revenue. Forget about personal credit. They're all about your banking activity. And the best part, applying won't dent your personal credit score. Plus, you could get a spending limit up to a whopping $100,000. Now here's the catch. You must have at least $10,000 or more in monthly deposits. That's right, a $10,000 in business revenue requirement. It is crucial to have at least $1,000 sitting in your bank account when applying. So you need to maintain a $10K plus monthly deposit, and you must keep a $1,000 plus daily balance at all times in your bank account. Now they will ask you to log into your bank account to view your business statements when applying. So I did some assessing with this credit card. It's not a credit card that I will personally use, but I'm here to give you details on credit cards out there for everyone. Some customers rate that this is similar to a prepaid debit card, but the money factor means that you're essentially paying interest the moment you swipe that card. And 3% cash back, it seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, this card feels like a merchant cash advance, some would say, one of the priciest ways to do business, to borrow money. Now, they're strict about this 6-month rule. One customer with a sole proprietorship since 2010 was told to reapply in 4 months after filing a LLC. Another was initially approved for a $15,000 credit card but was later denied. The reason? They switched from a sole proprietorship to an LLC. Revenue wanted them to open a new bank account with the LLC listed and reapply in 2 to 3 months with a deposit of at least $10,000 showing. So these are customers' experiences, just to give you an idea of what they're looking for. Let's talk about some pros and the cons. Let's break it down for you guys. Some pros are they have quick access to financing with limited documentation. They will approve you even with bad credit if you have a profitable business. So again, as long as you have $10,000 monthly deposits and a $1,000 balance daily, you'll likely get approved with the LLC. Make sure it's an LLC for business purposes. They have rewards for all of your purchases, and there is no credit hard inquiry on your personal credit, so this will not harm your credit score. Even if you get denied or approved, there's no harm to it. You can just try for the hell of it if you want to. Now, the cons for this credit card is that there's a high factor rate that making this payment can be challenging. The factor rates negates your cashback earnings. The card doesn't report your payment activity to the credit bureaus. So if you are one that want activity reported to boost your credit score and to show that you have a business credit line, this might not be the credit card for you. It's more like a merchant cash advance than a traditional credit card. So this brings me to sharing who I think this card is really for. Because I'm talking about a card that is unusual. This card is designed for those with bad credit, but a profitable business. It's perfect for young entrepreneurs just starting out. For example, if you're 18 to 25, just starting out with your credit. You don't have too much stuff on your credit. So it may be difficult for you to get a credit line unless you started when you're young, or you started right out when you're 18 and you're working towards, a lot of things. Most young entrepreneurs are still building their careers or still building their lives. So if you're a young entrepreneur and you're making a lot of money now and you don't have enough credit, this might be something that you will want, because you have the daily deposits and you have the monthly deposits. Maybe you're on TikTok and something went viral for your business. Maybe you're on Instagram, something went viral and you made $100,000 in that month. Maybe you're a young entrepreneur, online entrepreneur, and you're selling courses and your business is booming. This might be something for you. But for seasoned business owners, those that have been in their business for years and still have a profitable business, they might think twice about this credit card, because other lenders may have better rates, better options, better rewards, a better APR, a better application. However, this card speaks for itself. It's for those who have the revenue, period. So to qualify for this card, a business must operate in the United States. You must be in business for at least 6 months, and you must have a business bank account. You also must ensure that the account hasn't gone negative for more than 3 days in a month. So, coming back to our intro question, how would a business card without a hard credit check change your business game? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in the revenue business card, don't forget to check the links in the description. Until next time, keep hustling and let's get that business booming. Oh, and before you go, we're on a road to 100,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the community and let's learn and grow together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.